Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Honor Health application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Honor Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see health page once you open the app. Now tap on the device icon, and here you should see the Honor Watch 4 on the list of devices. Tap on it. Now scroll through the page and find the option called Notifications. And once you find it, tap on it. And here we can turn on the notifications by tapping on the switch. And if you don't have the required permissions allowed for the app and your phone to make the notifications work, you will see the pop-up on the screen. If you see this pop-up, tap on Enable. It will redirect you to the device and app notifications. Here you need to find the Honor Health. Tap on it. Tap on the switch next to Allow Notification Access. Tap on Allow. And after you allow it, go back. And if you want to receive the notifications from about the phone calls and messages, you will need to allow a couple more permissions, as you can see. So let's allow them like this. And now the notifications should be enabled. And as you can see, we have the list of applications here. And how it works is basically if you enable the notifications, let's say for Discord, and you receive the notification from Discord on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. But if you disable it for Discord, the notification won't be forwarded to your watch, so you will see it only on your phone. Enable the notifications for the features and apps you like, and once you're done, you should be able to receive them. So we're gonna close the app, and now I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord, and we'll see if it's working. And we got the message on our phone. Let's check the watch. And as you can see, it is also on our watch, which means it works, it's working. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.